Unboxing the phrase, typecast, its meaning in the world of acting and beyond. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that often pops up in conversations about movies, TV shows, and theater. The term is typecast. Understanding this phrase not only enriches your English vocabulary but also offers a glimpse into the world of performing arts. Let's unravel its meaning and usage together. Typecast refers to the practice of casting an actor or actress in the same kind of role repeatedly, based on their previous performances or their physical appearance. It comes from the combination of type, referring to a particular kind, and cast, meaning to assign a role in a play, movie, or show. When someone is typecast, they are often seen as being suitable for only a specific kind of character. Let's look at some examples. Think of an actor known for playing the villain in multiple movies or a comedian who always plays funny sidekick roles. They are typecast because they repeatedly portray characters of a similar nature. It's common in Hollywood and other entertainment industries worldwide. Being typecast can have both positive and negative impacts. On the one hand, it can provide consistent work for an actor, but on the other, it can limit their opportunities to show their range and versatility. Some actors embrace it, while others try to break away from being typecast. Interestingly, typecast is not just used in acting. It can describe any situation where someone is repeatedly considered for similar roles or tasks, in professional settings or even in everyday life, based on past experiences or stereotypes. I hope this exploration of typecast has been enlightening. Remember, language isn't just about words. It's about the stories and cultures they embody. Keep expanding your horizons, and happy learning. Until our next video, keep exploring and enjoying the richness of the English language.